Simon Hunt with Remax House of Real Estate. Been in the business for 15 years or so. Run a small little team in Calgary. We do business all over southern Alberta. So Jan is the guy we use all the time. There's hundreds of projects we've done over the years. I mean, I think we've been using it for probably about 5 or 6 years. Seamless. It's a seamless operation. I get the results I'm looking for every time, the quality I'm looking for. I just look for the finished product, which is the results which I'm looking for, and that is that, you know, it's seamless. Our clients love them, think the world of them, so it's easy, right? Yeah, I've had zero issue. He's great with our clients. He's great with the neighbors. You know, everybody's respectful and kind. I mean, especially when you go out and knock on their door instead of just showing up and doing it. He's very professional. It's been awesome.